Hello guys, it's Johnny Time and welcome to another decentralized finance tutorial. Today we're going to learn something very important. How to be anonymous in Binance Smart Chain and Polygon network. Anonymity is very important when we're dealing with cryptocurrencies and blockchains, and today we will learn how can we mix our transaction and stay anonymous and basically protect our wallet for being revealed. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the small bell notification button so anytime I post this kind of useful videos you can see them and learn about DeFi and crypto and blockchains as soon as possible. So many people recently want to stay anonymous in crypto and send transactions anonymously. As you know, blockchains are transparent, which means that if someone knows your wallet address, basically can track every transaction that you have made or you receive to your wallet. So if you send tokens, he can see it. If you call smart contracts, everyone can see it if he knows the wallet address. So it doesn't have a name or an ID, but there is a wallet address. And once you connect a wallet address to a person name or face or ID, then all the transactions and all the history is revealed. And sometimes you want to keep your anonymity. I don't know why, but there are multiple and different reasons. We don't judge because, you know, it's your money, your assets, you want to stay anonymous. Even here in my videos, I censor my addresses, I censor a lot of things about myself because when you're dealing with assets, and especially cryptocurrencies, there are so many hackers around, you want sometimes to stay anonymous. So today we're gonna learn how we can do it very easily and very nice on Binance Smart Chain, and it supports also Polygon using a decentralized app called Typhoon Network. This is the kind of app that you see right now on the screen, and you can see here that it's a multi-chain private transaction and privacy. We'll understand exactly how it works and how we can use it in order to anonymize our transactions. So let's read what it says here. Typhoon enables you to send a private transaction between two BSC or Polygon wallets. So as you can see, they have also the TYPH token on PancakeSwap. You can buy it, so they have their native token, and there is the app. Let's scroll down a bit in order to understand how it works. So first you have to deposit your tokens to a smart contract by Typhoon Network. You deposit your tokens on smart contract and then you receive a randomly generated piece of text. This piece of text is very important because this is basically the text that lets you then release this kind of funds from the smart contract. Leave the deposit in Typhoon and wait a bit. The longer you wait, the more deposits from other users will pass through Typhoon as well, providing anonymity. So while you send transaction, maybe you send $1,000 to the smart contract of Typhoon, more people are sending $1,000, $100, sending more transaction, and the more you wait, the smart contracts will have more and more transaction, and your transaction will be somewhere in the middle. That's why it's better to wait longer. Then after you waited, you can withdraw your funds. So upon providing the node by the target user, the smart contract will transfer the BNB or any other tokens that they support, also BUSD, to a wallet of your choice. So basically you got a piece of note, then you submit it after you waited maybe 1 day, 2 days, depends how much transactions are being sent into the smart contract. Then you provide this kind of note and you can withdraw the funds to the destination wallet. So that's how basically, imagine there is a safe and a lot of people put money inside, right? And then you have a note where you provide a note, the safe knows that this note is correct, this password is correct, then it releases the transaction to the destination wallet. So if someone is checking the destination wallet where he got the transaction from, he will see that he got it from the smart contract of Typhoon. He will not know who is the incoming transaction that actually sent the money. And that way you can anonymize your transaction. You can see right here how it looks like. There is like a Typhoon in the middle, and there are a lot of addresses that are involved sending in and out transaction. What Typhoon actually does: Typhoon works by letting user transactions mix with each other. All an observer will see is a long list of identical transactions coming and going from the Typhoon smart contract. The more people that use Typhoon, the bigger the anonymity set becomes and the harder it is figure out where transaction originated from. So this is what Typhon is. This is the app, and let's see how we can actually use it and anonymize our transaction. So when you click here, launch app, you will go to app.typhon.network, and then you can connect right here your wallet. You will have a connect button. My wallet is already connected, and once the wallet connected, the first step you remember is what? Deposit. You have to deposit tokens. So you can deposit BNB, BUSD, Cake, or Typhon token. In that case, for the example, we will deposit BNB. So I'm going to deposit right now BNB, and as you can see, I have different options to deposit BNB. I have 0.1, 1, 10, and 50. I cannot set the amount manually. And why, you ask? Imagine there is a smart contract that is always getting the same amount, 0.1, and there is another smart contract for 1, there is another smart contract for 10, and there is another smart contract for 50. So basically you will not be able to detect the transaction because all the transactions look the same, because you will see a lot of incoming 1 BNB, 1 BNB, 1 BNB, 1 BNB. If someone analyzes this kind of wallet or smart contract, he will not be able to understand who sent to who this kind of 1 BNB. So I'm gonna switch right here the wallet because I think I don't have enough BNB here. So let's switch the wallet. And now we will try to send 1 BNB. So 0.1 BNB I think should be enough. So I'm choosing here 0.1 BNB. You can also do BUSD or Cake or whatever token you want. I will click here, deposit BNB. And now you can see, guys, that I have some kind of TXT file. This TXT file is very, very important to keep it safe. Why? Because by having this TXT file, this note, by providing into the smart contract, the smart contract knows that you are the one who deposited the funds, and only by providing this kind of note, you are able to release the funds. So keep it safe. Don't post it on Facebook or Instagram because someone will be able to steal your funds. Just keep it safe. Maybe one day, because you have to wait that more people will send transaction to the smart contract. So I've backed up the note and send deposit. Now I see there is a MetaMask prompt to send a deposit. I will click confirm, and now I'm basically sending 0.1 BNB to the smart contract. And it will take a while until the transaction will be confirmed. Let's take a look how it looks like. Deposit succeeded. That's great. All right. Now, the best thing to do is actually to wait a little bit. But just for the example, we're going to release the funds just right now. So I'm going to send the funds to another wallet that I just created just for the sake of the example. And I'm copying the address right now. So let's click here, withdrawal. Now you're withdrawing the funds to the destination wallet. Make sure to wait at least 1 day before you do it, so your transaction will get anonymized. Now, the first thing I will do is I will put the wallet address. And I will uncheck the secure layer. We're not going to cover it now. And now I have the note right here. I'm going to copy and paste it here into the note. And that's how the smart contract actually knows that I'm the one who sent the initial 0.1 BNB, and I'm the one who is eligible to withdraw it and release it to the destination wallet. And I'm going to click right here, withdraw. Just let's verify that the wallet address is correct once again, and I'm going to copy it again. All right, withdraw, generating proof. Now basically it verifies that the note is correct and I supplied the right note. And once the proof will get generated, I will see a prompt of my MetaMask to send a transaction to the smart contract and telling him, listen, dear smart contract, I wanted to release the fund to this kind of wallet. So we're going to be waiting a little bit. All right, once the proof has been verified, be patient because it might take a while. Then you can see it changed to sending here, and there is a prompt to send the transaction to the smart contract to release the funds. So I'm going to confirm here the transaction, and we are supposed to see now in the destination wallet that the funds has been received. And then we get a notification here, withdrawal successful, and you can see basically right here all the recent deposits and recent withdrawals. So make sure that your transaction, this is the recent transaction that I just made, it's good to wait a little bit so a transaction will get down more and it will not be the first one and the last withdrawal, because it will be very easy to detect. So now I'm going to take a look at the destination wallet. Let's take a look at the destination wallet. All right, so here's the transaction of the withdrawal of releasing the fund, and you can see actually it's my wallet sent to a smart contract that its name is called Typhoon Network 01 BNB. This is basically the smart contract that's responsible for all the deposits and withdrawal of the 0.1 BNB. And if we take a look here at the smart contract, we can see that this contract has 1842 BNB inside that it has not been released yet. And if we scroll down a bit, you can see basically the deposit right here. So this is the deposit. Of course, the address will be censored. And you can see the deposit and withdrawal 6 minutes later. So this is actually how it looks like. And so this is the smart contract of the Typhoon Network that is responsible for every deposit of 0.1 BNB. And this contract, when you send transaction of deposit, you send a BNB, and when you send withdrawal, you withdraw the BNB. And actually, if we look here, this is my destination wallet, and you see that the BNB has been received. You can see there is 0.099 BNB because Typhoon Network take 0.01% fee, which is quite low, 0.1% I guess. And that's basically how it works and how easily you can mix your transactions and make them more anonymous on Binance Smart Chain or Polygon using Typhoon Network. So I'm very excited about it. I just looked for a way to send anonymous transactions, and I'm very happy I found this kind of project. I think it's a very nice project. Let's go back to the website. I think the project is really good. I don't know what the usage of the TYPH token, so I'm not buying it yet. Maybe I will read more about it and maybe I'll see potential for the token, but I'm very bullish in general with all the regulation, with all the KYC that's going on right now with centralized exchange. I think that this kind of application will be needed more and more, and I hope that this guide was helpful for you guys to make your wallet and transaction more and more anonymous. So once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you basically watching and learning with me and subscribing to the channel. Please consider subscribe and tell your friends about the channel if you like my content. And thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.